In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up discount codes for Black Friday and Cyber Monday on Shopify in our 2025 tutorial. Whether you're gearing up for those busy shopping days or simply looking to spruce up your promotional efforts, we'll walk through each step, making sure you can create an enticing discount strategy for your online store. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel and locate Discounts. Click on it to open up the discount options. This section is where you can view all current discounts and create new ones to attract customers during those shopping sprees. Next, in the top right corner of your discounts page, you'll see the Create Discount button. Go ahead and click that, which will open a new screen where you can start setting up your discount code. Here, you'll notice various discount types, and we're interested in the Amount Off Products option, so go ahead and select that. Now that you've selected your discount type, it's time to choose how you want your customers to enter the discount at checkout. You'll want to set a discount code method. You can create something themed around Black Friday or Cyber Monday, or if you're feeling a bit stuck for ideas, Shopify offers an option to generate random code. This can be handy if you're looking for quick inspiration. At this stage, you'll set the discount value, determining whether it's a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount. Consider what works best for your pricing strategy. If you want this discount to apply to specific products or collections, you'll choose those here. Otherwise, leave it set to all products. Moving along, you'll have the opportunity to select which customers can access this code by setting eligibility criteria. You might also want to consider setting a minimum requirement, like a minimum purchase amount, to use this discount code. This can help you regulate and encourage larger purchases. You'll also have the option to establish a maximum number of uses for the code. It might be beneficial to limit this to one use per customer to create urgency and exclusivity, or decide a total number of uses your business can accommodate comfortably. The final step is to set the active dates for your discount. Choose when it starts and when it ends. Align these dates with your promotional calendar for Black Friday and Cyber Monday to ensure it's active when most effective. Once you're satisfied with all these details, click Save, and there you have it. Your discount code is now set up and ready to entice your customers this holiday season. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on setting up discount codes for Black Friday and Cyber Monday in Shopify. Happy selling, and see you next time.